guys, Coach here. How are you? Hey, this week's plant of the week, I thought I would introduce you to the Dwarf Golden Barberry. It's in the Berberis family. It is a hardy, very adaptable type of plant with one exception. First planted, it doesn't want to be in a high wind, high temperature environment. The little itty bitty leaves tend to stress out and dry up really easy. It doesn't mean it'll die, it just means it'll look like hell if you plant it in the wrong spot. I love this plant because of its size, about 2.5 by 2.5 feet when it's mature, and it goes really well with its brother, the dwarf purple barberry. It goes well with dwarf lower petalum. It goes great with any sort of dark type of leaf plant, say, well, I mentioned the Chinese fringe flower, the lower petalum, but anything. Wine and Roses Weigelia is another one that comes to mind, but a very, very low maintenance, hardly ever have to prune it. You can let it go au naturel, just give it some space so it doesn't get all crammed together. And very, very hardy into zones 4, 3, even 2, although I've not seen it planted in 2 because that's almost Alaska country. But it is great for 30 to 40 below, and it can take up to 100-degree heat provided it doesn't have a lot of wind at the time. So this week's plant of the week, I'm suggesting your Dwarf Gold Barberry. Try it in your yard when you have a spot. It does have little pricklies though. It is deciduous, so it's going to be leafless in the winter, but it's got little thorns on it, so it's not great for like little kids to walk around in, that kind of stuff. And it does tend to be a little brittle. If you step on it, you can crack the whole thing off if it's a baby. So, hey, Dwarf Gold Barberry, try it in your yard. I've used it down in the Central Valley of California, and I've seen it everywhere. Here, we're coming to you from Wyoming, believe it or not, and they have lots of selection up here. So, for Matt's plant of the week, try your Gold Barberry. I'll catch you next week. Thanks for seeing me. Take care.